How to delete an ad in Kijiji. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete an ad in Kijiji. If you want to know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is log on to Kijiji website on your PC or on your mobile phone using www.kijiji.com. Then once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the home page of Kijiji. Here you'll see various interesting things. You see at the top left corner of your screen, you see the Kijiji logo. Close to it also you see the search box. Here you can search in whatever product you want to buy on Kijiji, and once you've inputted the name, you click on search, and once you click on search, the pictures of several products of those products will be displayed on your screen. Then you make your choice, and close to it also we have the location icon showing the location of wherever you are, and close to it at the top right corner of your screen we have my favorite icon. This my favorite icon is where you keep pictures, or you keep products that you like. You can keep them here or add it to your cart here. Then close to it also is a notification icon. So once you have any notification on Kijiji website, it will be displayed under this notification icon. Then close to it also we have the search icon. Here you can converse with your sellers and buyers on Kijiji using this message icon. So close to it we have the profile icon. Here you can see your profile, you can change your profile picture, you can change your email address, or the password, or your phone number, and so on can be done here under your profile icon. Then close to it we have the post ad icon. Here you can click on it to post ad, and also you can see various interesting or beautiful products that are available on Kijiji with their prices attached to them. You can see the prices are attached to them. So if you love any of them, if you want to add any of them to your favorite, you see at the lower part of each product you see the icon, my favorite icon. That's the heart shape. You simply click on it, and the exact product will be added to your favorites. And just make sure you take a thorough look at any of these products before you place your order. Make sure that the product meets the budget that you have. You can just explore the home page to have an overview of what Kijiji is all about. You can go down the page, you can do a lot of things on the page actually. So to delete an ad on Kijiji, all you need to do is to scroll up to the upper part of the page. Here where we have the post ad, you can just before the post ad we have the profile icon. You click on the profile icon, and a drop down will be displayed on your screen where we have my ads, where we have my orders, where we have my profile, where we have setting what's it called, account settings. We have Kijiji My Business, we have the option to log out, and so on. So you click on my ads. Remember, ads is also is a short form of advertisement. So you click on my ads just to take you to the list of adverts that you've done on Kijiji. So remember, to be able to delete any advertisement on Kijiji, you must have uploaded, or you must have posted some ads on Kijiji already. But for me, I don't have any active ad. Just like you can see on my screen, on the screen here, I do not have any ad. But for you, you should have an ad already, or you should have several adverts already. So you click on the particular advert that you want to delete. Here, once you click on my ads, all your advertisements, all your adverts on Kijiji website will be displayed on your screen. But for me, I do not have any active ad at the moment. But for you, you should have. So you click on the particular you can just take a look at the right side of the screen where you have the search box. You can input the name of your ad, because you have to title all your ads before posting them on Kijiji. So you can just input the title of your ad and click on search, and the ad will display on your screen. So if that is the ad you want to delete, you just click on it, and you have two options. You have the delete option, or to just leave it or just check your ad. So if you want to really delete your ad on Kijiji, you just click on the delete option and the ad will be deleted from your profile, from the list of ads that you have already on Kijiji. So this is simply how to delete ad in Kijiji. I hope you find this video insightful. Thank you.